Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to clear the PowerShell screen and comment history. So let's start the video. At the beginning I will show you how to clear the screen. So let's use some command to display something in our terminal and how you can clear the screen. You have two options. The first option is a built-in PowerShell command. It looks like this. So clear minus and host. You can press enter. As you can see, it is working. Our terminal has been cleared, but it is a little bit long, so you can use alias to this command. Alias to this command looks like this. You can just type in cl, and s, and it will do basically the same. You can press enter and it will clear your screen. But it's very important to say that this only clears what you see right now on the screen in this terminal. It does not delete the comment history. So how can you maybe at the beginning display the comment history and later how can you clear that? So in order to display the comment history, you have to type in the comment that looks like this. So it is get minus and history. As you can see, here we have the duration and the command line that we used before. So as you can see, we used ls, cls, clear host, cls, and before I used some cd and some other comments. So how can we clear that? We can clear that by typing in clear and minus history, like this. You can press enter and our history has been cleared. We can again type in get history, and as you can see we have only one comment. This is the comment that we used here. This is the clear history comment, and this is basically how you can clear your terminal and how you can clear your history on Linux. If you found this video helpful, I mean not on Linux but on Windows, in Windows PowerShell. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.